I got something new to show everybody. It's new for us. It's used, but 2016 Toyota Tundra. Very happy. It's a little windy, sorry. Hopefully it's not interfering. But yeah, 2016, 52,000 miles. Kind of been looking at a newer vehicle for a couple of years actually. Looking at cars and Jeeps and a Tacoma, Titan, all kinds of stuff. And all of a sudden I seen a couple of Tundras for sale and I was like, huh, interesting. I like it. So I kind of started looking at them more and reading about them. And they're actually pretty awesome. 5.7 liter V8. The interiors are sunny. The interiors are a little out of date, as everybody will say, but that's okay. I got a black towel to put on my seat, so when I'm driving it to work occasionally, I don't kill it with my dirty pants and stuff. But yeah, I don't think I have a key in here. Do I? I do. Oh, check this out. All right, hang on. Oh, where's the key hole? It's actually got dual exhaust. 2 black tips. It's got, I believe, a Flowmaster muffler. Oh, I think it's a Flowmaster muffler. But it's actually 2 in and 2 out, so it's like a real dual exhaust. So, it's got spacers. The suspension. You can put 33 by 12 and a half. Came with these wheels on it, but I'm pretty happy. I'm glad they're not solid black. I don't like solid black. I don't really like black, to be honest, but with this, with the silver in there, I do like that. So, pretty excited to be taking this thing to Silver Lake, running it out on the dunes, having some fun. Hope to keep it for a long time. And I don't know. Oh, kitty cat. Keela hush. But yeah, take it on some trips. Take it wheeling. Could tow my Jeep when my Jeep's done, because I got my Cherokee that I'm working on, which is in 8 million pieces. So that's not gonna be anytime soon. But eventually, yeah, you can see the Jeep in the garage way over there. Big mess. Got smoking. Goofy dog. Hi, Goofy dog. There's the Goofy dog. Say hi. Goofy dog. Sorry it's so windy. I don't even know where the microphone's at. I got a new mic system, but I haven't got around to hooking it up yet, so sooner or later, next time hopefully, because that'll make better sound. Get to be cleaner. So anyhow, just wanted to show you a new vehicle. We will show some more about it in the future. But yeah, so anybody who likes Tundras, I got a really cool Toyota Tundra and I'm very happy with the new vehicle. See ya. I guess for anybody who cares, that's the Jeep 95 Jeep Cherokee XJ. Completely gutted out, pretty much no interior. Front axle, all suspension, everything's laying on the ground. And I get a, already got, I should say, a long arm lift kit. And I will say, I ordered it from Froelich Suspension Systems or something, Technologies. Don't ever order anything from them. Took me a year to get stuff. It took me almost a year to get to those parts. I got coil springs a long time ago. I got the slip yoke luminaire kit, which was included, extra cost in the lift kit. I put that together. I have frame stiffeners. That'll all be in the future. Yeah, long arm kit from the guy. It took a year to get it for me. Terrible communication, doesn't get back to you. And yeah, disaster, I know. No leaf springs yet. I guess he forgot that there's supposed to be leaf springs included in the kit. So don't ever order anything from Froelich Suspension. But yeah, this is my disaster. Gotta clean the garage up. I made a mess all winter. Now that it's not winter anymore, it's time to clean it out. Start doing some work. But yeah, you'll see more about this too, slowly. Got this, got the fiance's Grand Cherokee that we took to Moab, and now we got the Tundra that we'll be doing stuff with too. Slowly, but surely. You know, budgets and all that fun stuff. Adulting.